Hey there, welcome to our channel. At Economic Cleaning Services LLC, I take pride in transforming business spaces into spotless and healthy environments. Our mission is to provide top-notch cleaning services that exceed your expectations. Imagine stepping into an office where every desk, every surface is immaculately clean. The air feels fresher and the environment is more inviting. From office spaces and retail stores to apartment buildings and medical facilities, my expert team handles it all. We understand the unique cleaning needs of different environments and tailor our services accordingly. We're not just any cleaning company in New York, we're your trusted partner committed to excellence, professionalism, and reliability. Our team is trained to deliver the highest standards of cleanliness and hygiene. No job is too big or too small for us. Whether it's a large corporate office or a small retail space, we bring the same level of dedication and attention to detail. Using the latest cleaning techniques and eco-friendly products, we keep your space fresh and germ-free, ensuring a safe place for both employees and customers. Our eco-friendly products are not only effective but also safe for the environment, so why wait? A cleaner space is just a call away. If you need a professional cleaning service, contact Economic Cleaning Services LLC today. Our friendly customer service team is ready to assist you with all your cleaning needs. Call us at 917-862-6356 or visit us at 223 Bassford Avenue, Bronx, New York, 10457. We look forward to making your space shine. Let us handle the cleaning so you can focus on what really matters. Spend your time on growing your business while we ensure your environment is pristine. Thanks for watching, and remember, a clean space is a happy place. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on maintaining a spotless environment.